Good morning, everybody. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. And I just came on to say good morning to everybody. How you doing? Say, Val, why you ask me how you doing? Most folks ask that question. Do they really expect people to write down up under there how they doing? Right. I do hear that a lot. Or they would say, what you doing? How y'all doing? That's why they be I think they be trying to figure out what to say. Oh yeah, I have uh dyed my hair, and all I did was took some of this jam, put it all over here. And this right here is my twist out. And I just fold it so it'll look wavy. This'll look wavy. And this is the only thing that hold my edges down, that 24-hour um edge control. And this right here make the whole thing look slick. What but you put it on when your hair dry. Because when I put it on my hair wet, it don't work that well. And this all I do to my edges. I just kind of swerve them and put and go make them go back into my hair. To me, it has more of a natural look. So I'm showing you how I do my edges right now. And that's as far as I go with the edge control with what you see me doing now. And the rest of it, like I say, is with that jam. That jam don't work good for me for us controlling my edges because they frizz back up even when I use the jam. So but this is the only thing I've found so far that makes my edges lay down like all my hair is curly. You know, you know how some people got that curly, wavy hair and they just slick it back and they have their edges locked down. Well, this is the only way I can lock mine down with the 24-hour edge control. So far, I haven't found anything else that'll do it. Not even gel or Eco Style gel or none of that. Well, when long years ago, when I had the perm, the Eco Style gel used to do good. But when I turned natural, it didn't do it. So and now since I am natural, there's no need for a perm unless I just want to show my length. But my hair is long enough, even though it ain't down to past my strap or my waist. It's still long enough. It's past my shoulders. I just have to be satisfied with that. But it's on my shoulders when it's a loose. And if it's a wash and go, it's up, it's up here. So you know how I have to do, child. Oh, I'm doing my neck. Let me show you the difference in this. I haven't put any on this side yet. Put some on that side. Edge control. 24 hour. Family size. It's a family size container. It lasts us a long time. But it's 24-hour edge tamer. It don't say control, it say tamer. But I'm gonna put on the title control because I know other people be looking for some kind of way to do stuff with their edges. hmm I think I take a picture like this too. And this is Val. This is how you do it. I see all you beautiful people in the next video.